Other gubernatorial aspirants across the country also got the nod, setting the stage for several exciting races. All the incumbents who lost in the party primaries have opted to run as independent candidates. Mashirima Kapombe has the details.
The gloves are now officially off as gubernatorial aspirants receive the green light from the IEBC.
I was very confident that I was going to be cleared.
Happiest of them all was perhaps Kakamega Governor Wycliffe Oparanya. Despite threats by the Senate Public Accounts Committee, he sailed through.
It was not an issue. That was hot air.
Mombasa gubernatorial aspirants Jubilee flag bearer Suleiman Shahwal and current Senator Hassan Omar got the green light to worm their way into the hearts of voters, hoping their charm will take the place of incumbent Hassan Ali Joho. 3 others were cleared. Kirinyaga Jubilee aspirant Anne Waigoro said she will hit the ground running after receiving her certificate.
Many people were anxious, but we knew that there was nothing legally to stop us from being clear.
In Nakuru, Lee Kinyanjui of the Jubilee Party and John Mututho got the nod to face off on August 8th. The 4 Nyeri County Governor hopefuls, Dr. Wahome Gakuru of Jubilee, current Governor Samuel Mathai, who now runs as an independent, same as Dr. Thuo Mathenge, who was rejected by Jubilee, and Peter Cairo of DP, will square it off on August 8th. Joyce Laboso's race to the Bomet governor's office took off early as she proudly displayed her certificate, which she hopes is the beginning of unseating current governor Isaac Ruto, who has since joined NASA. It was a Jubilee KANU affair in Kericho when KANU's Jonah Keter locked horns with Jubilee's Paul Chepkwony, each claiming total support from voters moments after receiving clearance. Mashirima Kapombe, KTN News.